So there are several new features in macOS Ventura for Mail. They're really useful. So let's look at each one. First is undo send. You can create a new message and when I send it you'll see this undo send button here. You've got 10 seconds to click it and then your mail composition window reopens. The message isn't sent. What's actually happening here is the same thing that happens with any undo send feature on any device. The send is delayed by 10 seconds. So when you actually send the message it waits 10 seconds and you have that time to hit undo. Now another thing you could do when composing a new message here is instead of sending it you can click here and you could set it to send at a certain time. So you can pick from a couple of defaults here or send later and then choose a specific date and time to schedule the send. Of course your Mac needs to be on, although Mail doesn't necessarily need to be running for that to happen. It should work too if your Mac is asleep. Another new feature allows you to get a reminder for a message in your inbox. So this only works in the inbox, which is disappointing because it would be nice to actually archive a message and then get a reminder of it from there. But say you have a message like this, you know that it's going to get buried under a bunch of new email in your inbox pretty soon. You can right click or control click or two-finger click on the message here and choose Remind Me, or just go to Message Remind Me with the message selected. Get a reminder in an hour, tonight, tomorrow, or set a specific time and date. What will happen is even though this message goes towards the bottom as new email comes in, when that time gets there it'll surface to the top. So handy for those of us that have crowded inboxes. Another new feature has to do with searching. Notice here this email is vacation idea and plans. Let's search for vacation spelled wrong. Right? Subject contains it spelled wrong. It's still going to find it. So it'll do searching more like you're used to on the web, for instance, where a wrong spelling might still give you the correct result. And here's a cool new feature. If you compose a new email like this and you say something like, here's your attachment with the new, it's going to see there's language in here suggesting there's an attachment. And watch what happens when I try to send. It'll warn you. So it'll give you what it saw and then allow you to send anyway if you want or cancel and then include that attachment. Could be real handy.